Happy Holy Week, everybody! So, karon na mo mag is all fruits kay bawal man ang meat, especially today that it's Holy Week. Good Friday. So, nami tambis, ripe mango, orange, grapes, manggang hilaw, watermelon, saging. Okay. So, nami mga sauces karon para sa atong hilaw na mangga. Kailangan naman tawag like masarap na sauce. So, what we have here is suka, bagoong, dinamos, toyo, salt. So, okay. Ako i-try yung isa. Ay!